Hi everyone guys, welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video I will give you the clear info regarding C versus Python. Okay, for that I will take an example program to write both in C and Python programming languages, and I will show you the differences so that you can understand it in an easy way. Okay, so let me move on to the concept here. Yeah, based on our requirement we need to write the programs in both C and Python. Okay, so here my requirement is to display sorry to display name, qualification and your college name on the output screen. So for that we need to write the program in both C and Python. Okay, so let me write the program here guys. So while you are writing the programs, keep in your mind requirement. So based on our requirement only we are going to write the instructions in our program. Okay, so here our requirement is to display name, qualification and your college name on the output screen. Okay, so wait a minute. Yeah, so for that, first of all let me start with the C program. Yeah, here I am writing in the C language. So when I am done with both C language and Python language, you will be getting clear idea what are all the differences. So based on our requirement, hash include stdio.h, which is header file, and also hash include conio.h. So these header files contain some predefined functions. So we are going to use the predefined functions in our program. So here I am invoking these header files into my programming at the starting of the program. Yeah, sorry. Okay, after done with header files, here main function. Every program contains the main function. Okay, so here inside the main function we need to write the body of the program based on our requirement. So here my requirement is to print the name printf. So here I need to take the three printf statement to print in three different lines. Or otherwise you can also keep in single line. Here for the readability purpose I am taking three printf statements. Here I am printing YV and Tech, which is our YouTube channel, and then after qualification, let me keep the qualification as BTech, and then after here in this third printf statement you need to keep your college name. So here I am keeping college name directly, and you can type whatever it may be where you are studying. Okay, so this is how we need to write the program in C language based on our requirement. And also one more thing is that get ch to print the content on the output screen, to display the output on the output screen. Okay, so this is how we write the program for the requirement in C language. Okay, it has taken almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it has taken almost 8 to 9 lines of code we have written to fulfill the requirement. Okay, so let me move on to the Python code here guys for the same requirement. So then after writing the program you will be getting clarity. Okay, so in Python we are using print statement to print the content on the output screen. So one print statement to print the name, and let me copy this and paste. So sorry, yeah, in the second line we need to keep here qualification. Let me keep the qualification as BTech, and third one is your college name. Here you need to write your college name. Okay, so now we have done with our requirement. In first line we have printed YB and Tech, which is name, and next line qualification, and in the next line college name. Okay, now we have done with the Python code for the requirement. Okay, sorry. Okay, so it has taken almost only 3 lines. Okay, so when we go through C code, it has taken 8 to 9 lines, but in Python we can write it in 3 lines. Okay, hope that you have got clear idea that so line of code will be very less in Python. Okay, so line of code for any project will be less compared to C. Okay, and also time and space complexities. Less to develop a project. Okay, if you are developing any project using the Python, we can develop it in a very less number of days as compared to the C language. Okay, so here in the C language, time and space required will be high compared to Python to develop any project. To develop any project using C, it will take more space and more number of days. Okay, and also in Python it will works on indentation. Okay, works on indentation. To provide the scope for any block, here we are leaving the white spaces. That is called indentation. Okay, I will give you the clear idea while I am explaining the indentation concept. So here in C, using braces, curly braces, to provide the scope for a particular block. Okay, so these are all the main differences between C and Python. The main difference is memory and time will be very less in Python compared to the C, and also Python works on indentation, but C language will be working on curly braces. Based on the curly braces, we are providing the scope here. Okay, so hope that you have got clear idea regarding C versus Python, guys. If you want more videos regarding Python, you please follow my channel and be in connect with my channel. You will be getting notification when I post my new videos in my channel.